Hello friends, I'm Varshini and this is my first TED Talk. I hope you enjoyed. It's about the sound of joy. Humans laugh a lot, but why do we laugh? Why do we find some things funny? And why is most laughter not actually about finding something funny, but rather fulfills a social function? Laughter is the only language acclaimed by all members of the human species. We were born with the capacity to laugh. A good place to start is to consider what happens to our bodies when we laugh. In what is termed as mirthful laughter, the type where our bellies vibrate and the muscles around our rib cages start to produce large contractions, leading to air being squeezed out of our bodies, creating the sound of laugh. In fact, laughter involves the contraction of 15 facial muscles. We have all been in the situation where somebody gets hurt because of us, but we have a fit of laughter. Scientists term this nervous laughter. One plausible explanation for nervous laughter is that we are signaling ourselves that whatever horrible thing we have just encountered isn't as horrible as it seems. During one of the most telling experiments done to examine the function of laughter, scientists collected the blood samples and looked at the immune system of the subjects. And guess what? It showed an increase in the number of natural killer cells, cells which are used for fighting viruses. But perhaps the most convincing work that has been done on laughter looks at its role in social bonding. Have you ever caught a laugh from someone just because they are laughing and not because of what they are laughing at? Once you start to laugh, you are inclined to keep laughing. We all know that laughter is contagious, but not to an extent that it caused an influenza outbreak. We do know that laughter is contagious, but not to an extent that it caused an epidemic. We have one such instance, the Tanzania laughter epidemic of 1962. What began as an isolated fit of laughter in a group of 12 to 18-year-old schoolgirls rose to large proportions. The influenza outbreak was so severe that it required the closing down of 14 schools and afflicted about 1,000 people. Scientists are of the opinion that laughter helps people to communicate, connect, and bond with one another. Laughter helps people to forget. It allows us to let go, at least for a short period of time. The more relaxed we feel with someone, the easier it is to laugh. People are 30 times more likely to laugh in a social setting than when alone. Laughter triggers the release of natural feel-good chemicals in our body, and who doesn't want to feel good? I would like to end my talk by quoting a great comedian, Victor Borges, who said, "Laughter is the shortest distance between two people." So, whatever life throws at you, don't forget to laugh. Thank you.